So, you're saving money by doing your own oil change? That's great. But are you unknowingly committing these common oil change mistakes that could lead to serious engine damage? We're here today to talk about the pitfalls and how to avoid them.
Absolutely. A DIY oil change can save you a lot, but neglecting crucial steps or using incorrect products can be a recipe for disaster. We see it all the time, engines prematurely failing due to seemingly small errors.
Let's start with the drain plug. How many people over-tighten that thing? It seems like such a simple step, but it's a major source of problems.
Exactly. Over-tightening crushes the washer or even strips the threads in the oil pan. Then you're looking at a costly repair to the oil pan itself, not just the drain plug. The key is to use a torque wrench and follow the manufacturer's specification. If you don't have a torque wrench, snug it down firmly, but don't crank on it with all your might.
What about using the wrong type of oil? That's another area where people often make mistakes.
Huge mistake. Using the wrong viscosity or an oil that doesn't meet your car's specifications can dramatically reduce engine health and lifespan. Modern engines are designed with very specific oil requirements for lubrication and cooling. Check your owner's manual and stick to the recommended oil type and viscosity. Don't cheap out on this.
Okay, so proper oil, proper tightening. What's next on the list of oil change mistakes to avoid?
Overfilling the oil. Many people think more is better, but that's definitely not the case. Too much oil can cause aeration, where the crankshaft whips the oil into a frothy foam. This reduces the oil's ability to lubricate properly and can lead to serious engine damage. Always check the dipstick after filling and add or drain oil as needed to reach the correct level.
And what about those cheap oil filters? Are they really that bad?
Yes. A cheap oil filter may not effectively filter out contaminants, which can circulate through your engine and cause wear and tear. Invest in a quality oil filter from a reputable brand. It's a small price to pay to protect your engine health.
Excellent points. So, to recap, torque the drain plug correctly, use the right type of oil, don't overfill, and use a quality oil filter. Anything else we should add to this DIY oil change checklist?
One more thing, dispose of the old oil properly. Don't pour it down the drain or into the ground. Take it to a recycling center or auto parts store. They'll usually take it for free. Protecting the environment is just as important as protecting your engine. By avoiding these oil change mistakes, you are contributing to car maintenance best practices.
Fantastic. Thanks for sharing these crucial tips to help everyone avoid those costly engine damage scenarios. DIY oil change can be a rewarding experience if you do it right.